guys and girls, I bring you Claire, part of the Jon Renau SmartLace Fall 2019 collection. Now Claire has these romantic loose waves that flow just past the shoulder. She brings to mind similar styles such as the Tony of Beverly Joelle wig. She's very, very feminine with a lace front, smart lace, each fiber individually hand tied so you have off the face styling options. She also has a full monofilament top so you have unlimited parting options, which is wonderful. Now while this style does not have permatease, there is quite a bit of volume, almost a bump at the crown. So those of you that like to have a little bit of volume in the back, you still get that with this style. Well, let's take a closer look at the very romantic and feminine Claire. Jon Renau's Claire has a smart lace front, which mimics a natural hairline. Each strand is hand-tied one by one. You have a single layer monofilament top, which allows for multi-directional parting while providing the appearance of natural growth. On either side of the cap, you have these velvet-lined adjustable ear tabs. The open sides and the back allow for air circulation, which provides scalp coolness and comfort. On either side of the extended velvet nape are Velcro adjustable straps, which allow you to change the circumference of the wig cap up to 1/2 inch. Well, here is Claire, and in this color, this style is bombshell beautiful. It's interesting how it's quite straight, but then you have all of these wonderful waves throughout the entire wig. This is how Claire appears right out of the box with just a quick shake, some finger combing, and I also parted her down the middle. One thing I'm noticing is that Claire does tend to tangle quite a bit, so you'll definitely want to use wig conditioning spray. Claire's cap size is average, which means it fits a head measuring 22 inches in circumference, which is exactly my head size. The cap does fit rather snug right out of the box without moving the adjustable straps, so I don't feel that this style would work well for someone with a larger than average head size. I notice when I take my Jon Renau wide tooth comb and comb through Claire that I get a little bit of static electricity. Now it's fall where I live, it's quite chilly, very dry, so this certainly can lend to some static electricity throughout. But just something you might want to know, the fibers are synthetic and they tend to be on the drier side. So if you notice any static electricity or flyaways, you can always use the Jon Renau HD Smooth Wig Conditioning Spray or the wig conditioning spray of your choice to just tame those quite a bit. But I really like the synthetic fiber. It has a very fine denier and it feels very soft, just like human hair. The lace front is very well done. Jon Renau has some impeccable lace fronts. The lace front is temple to temple. I also like the monofilament top, which, like the lace front, is hand-tied, each fiber one by one, and it gives the appearance of natural growth from the scalp. Let's take a look at this gorgeous new style from all sides. The front, left side, the back, very nice movement, and you can see that it is just past the shoulders in length. Right side, Claire's measurements. The bang is 14 inches long. The side is 10.75 inches long. So what's important to note is that this is a graduated style, which means it's longer in the front and gradually gets somewhat shorter towards the back. The crown is 13.5 inches long and the nape is 9 inches long. This style weighs 5.2 ounces, which in my opinion, for a shoulder length style, is quite a bit. And this tells you just how much fiber and density that you get with this wig. Plenty of hair. Let's talk about this color. I'm wearing Claire in color FS 16/24B, Honey Syrup. This is a light gold blonde and lightest warm blonde blend with light blonde highlights. The highlights are throughout. Well, let's take a look at this color outside in natural light. Because of the lace front and the monofilament top, you have unlimited styling options with Claire. I have Claire parted in the center. Let's try parting her on the left to see what she looks like. Here she is, parted on the left. Just a very beautiful new look you can accomplish. Let's try parting her on the right. Because there is a lot of density, it can be a little bit of a challenge parting her one way to the other, and you may want to use a little bit of steam or maybe a washcloth in hot water to just set the part once you decide where you want it. Well, here is Claire parted on the right, a whole new look. And because you have this fantastic lace front, don't be afraid to just pull the hair back off the face. You don't even need a part. You can just use your fingers to comb it. Look at the volume that you get. Ooh. Now you do have enough length in a low ponytail. You certainly could put her in an updo with a claw clip for another elegant style. If you're interested in purchasing Claire, I highly recommend the website pinkypromise.com. They carry Claire in all of the Jon Renau salon colors. They have great customer service and free shipping. Now if you visit pinkypromise.com, on the home page, scroll down to the bottom, sign up for the mailing list. You'll receive a 30% off discount code, good on your first purchase. Plus, you'll receive sale alerts and wig brand new releases. If you have questions about this style or the color, I'm more than happy to answer. Please leave them in the comments section below. If you wear Claire, we would love to hear your experience with this wig. Please subscribe, as I will have more wig reviews, product reviews related to wigs, color comparisons, and wig advice to come. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.